Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. You ever seen my channel before? Please subscribe, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that abandoned farmhouse. If you guys haven't seen that video, click right here. You'll not be disappointed, trust me. But I just want to let you guys know, you guys are really gonna like this video. Probably about a month ago, I went up training at Dickerson Fire Tower. I'm going to be helping out there this weekend, so I can't wait, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. So I hope you guys enjoy it. But I'm going to actually be staying at a campground in Vermont called Jamaica State Park. So it's about 3 hours away. I'm just right on the New York State Thruway. I'm about to hop on and get this adventure going. So let's get it, guys. Alright guys, we're just about to get off the thruway. I have to get some gas. This service area is closed, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. They are redoing all the service areas, and I heard they're kind of like crappy because they're a lot smaller, but they're supposed to be more high-tech and energy efficient. I don't know. But I'm gonna get some gas and we're gonna get going. Let's do it, baby. What do you guys think about watching TV while you pump gas now? Crazy. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, we're just outside of Troy. Since this rest stop didn't have a baño, I'm gonna see if they got one in here. I gotta use it. And I gotta get some gum. All right, let's see what we can get here. Let's go. Alright guys, I did find the baño and I got my beef jerky and my gum. They did not have the cinnamon kind, my favorite, so I had to go with this one. Wah, wah, wah. Alright guys, we're almost to Vermont. Not quite there yet, but guys, I think I just found the world's biggest shopping cart. Holy moly guys, what do you guys think? In the something you don't see every day, huh? My God, I had to get that. With that being said, let's get this adventure going. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, we made it to Vermont. Awesome. All right, let's get it, guys.
Your destination will be on the right.
Yep.
Put that in your mirror.
Yep.
We have been having fair issues the last 2 days, so just make sure anything you put in the dumpster, you make sure the dumpster is latched up tight.
Okay. Yep.
You're going to be bearing right by that 50-mile-an-hour sign there.
Okay.
You're here, you're headed straight, taking it right there, going all the way around the loop, and coming back. 8 is right there. That's where I put you.
Awesome.
You have a nice day.
Hey, you too. All right, thank you. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I guess they've been having bear issues lately, so gotta make sure that we throw our trash out. Alright, so let me take a second, let's see where I'm at. Alright, so we're at campground, or campsite number 8. Alright, so, yep, we're gonna turn right here. Camps 1 through 12. Alright, so we should find it down here. Campsite number 8. Maybe we'll get a bear on the camera, guys. They say I've been having a lot of bear issues. So, yeah. Alright, let's see. I think we'll be right up here on the left. Oh, a little bit further up. Right here, right on the, wow, look at this. Nice little steps up. Cool. Alright, this is gonna be home for the weekend. Alright, let's check it out, guys. Alright guys, this is gonna be home for the weekend. I'm loving my little steps up to my campsite. Pretty cool. I'm probably gonna put my tent right over here somewhere. You got the banos right over here. If you can see right through the woods over here, they have like these lean-tos that I would love to rent one time, but they're all booked up. So definitely next time I come here, I need to try to get one of those. But what do you guys think, huh? Not bad, huh? Very nice. We gotta watch out for those bears though. And the weather's starting to clear up like they said it was. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend. All right, guys, let's get going. Let's get this tent going. Let's get this tent going. Let's get this tent set up. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. So the tent I'm gonna be using is a Z-Pack one-person tent. It's made for through hikes. It's very light and easy to compact. But I'm gonna use it today, and it's held up by one tracking pole. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what's going to be home for the next couple days. It's like MTV Cribs. Pretty nice, huh guys? It's pretty comfortable, huh? Get a wider shot. Put the whole house in one frame. Awesome guys, awesome. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, I got the tent all set up, as you guys can see. So we're all set here. I was going to try to cook something, but they're having such bear problems, I really don't want to be cooking near my campsite. So I found some restaurant, well, I seen a restaurant on the way here that I want to try out, so maybe I'll get my first food review on this channel. Alright, let's get it guys.